Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Coq Inu coin on Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to provide your passcode or your fingerprints in order to log in into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you have enough AVAX coins in your Trust Wallet. If you don't have it, then you will have to tap on this search bar in the top, and then in the search bar you will have to search for AVAX. After that, you need to tap on AVAX, and then you need to tap on buy. Then you need to enter the amount of AVAX that you want to purchase, and after that you will have to tap on buy button in the bottom. Once done, you will have to select your payment method such as your PayPal account or your debit or credit card, and then you will be redirected on this buy crypto page where you will have to proceed to buy AVAX, and you simply need to conclude your payment. Once you do this, you will be able to see that now you have AVAX points in your Trust Wallet. Now let's just go to the process of buying the Coq Inu. For that, you need to tap on browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that in the search bar you will have to type traderjoyxyz.com. I will put the link of it down in the description box as well, so you can use that link and then you will be redirected on this page. Now over here you simply need to click on trade, and then you need to tap on connect wallet. After that, you need to connect your Trust Wallet with it, and once you have connected your Trust Wallet, you will have to select the Coq Inu coin. For that, you will have to tap on select token, and then in the search bar you will have to search for Coq Inu. Then you need to tap on Coq Inu coin, and after that you will have to enter the amount of AVAX that you want to swap with Coq Inu. So let's say you want to swap 120 AVAX to Coq Inu, then it will show you the conversion and it will show you how much Coq Inu coins you are going to get. So you will have to tap on the swap button in the bottom, and then you just have to wait for some time until you purchase Coq Inus in your Trust Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.